right now is we have 4 students who are going to explain how they're learning about energy transformations through experimentation. And this group includes Sedona on the left, Sarah, and Zach. And the group's been working in a team of 2 teachers and 2 students. So Sedona and Sarah are the teachers, and they're going to explain how they've been teaching groups of students, including Zach.
Okay, so what we did beforehand, before we became teachers, we all did this experiment together, and it has 3 parts to it. The first part is about a thermometer, and we have to put it under that light there, and then we check the temperatures. And then the second part is about the radiometer, which is right there underneath that light. And the third part is about this solar panel with this little thing. And then after we did
Does any of you remember the name of that little solar panel? What's it actually called?
PV cell.
Yeah, what does that stand for, PV?
Photovoltaic.
Correct. Photovoltaic cell. That's right.
And then they switched and they went around and did other experiments while we stayed here, and we taught other students.
We did experiments such as, well, where'd it go? All right, there was a candle, and we had a wire,
Bimetal strand.
a bimetal strand, and when you hold it over the candle, it bends a certain way, and then when you put it in ice water, it straightens out very quickly. And there's another one with a lot. It was called a live wire, where you bend it in all certain ways, and then when you put it in the warm water, it straightens out. When you put it in the cold water, it bends more, and the room temperature water just stays the same.
You guys know how to say now they're on the wrong ones. Alright, so what you do is you're going to add all the numbers up. You're going to divide by 3 as you have to. So it's going to be 70 plus 72 plus 72 equals, and then you're going to divide by 3. And then your average is 71.37.
I've already explained how you powered up. Now, I know the next step. It wants you to, I'm pretty sure it wants you to make an illustration, a labeled illustration of how it works and before. So if you want to observe that quick, you can do that, and I will set up the next part for you. Yes.
So the independent variable is the thing that will stay that isn't changing. The dependent variable is the thing that depends on the independent variable. And the constant will be the thing that stays the same the whole time.
Well, to stay safe, we always keep our goggles on, and if we have sleeves, like Zach, we would roll them up, and if we have the little things, dangly jewelry, you would take off, and the strings on your sweatshirt you would put in, and if you have bracelets with long dangly things, you would take them off, or, yeah.
And we also have to put our hair up if your hair is long, like mine and Sarah's.
It states that in our lab rules, just nicely laminated for us.
It's pretty cool.
Oh, it's fun to teach them. I mean, they don't really know what they're doing, so it's fun to kind of like give direction and tell them what to do. And they often get it quickly, so I mean.
And how does that impact you as like a learner?
Well, sometimes we get different data than they do, so we can like reflect and compare each other's data with each other.
It was easier than I thought it was going to be because everyone knew what they were doing, and it was easy to get the information from the people that already had done it.
But you blinded me with science. She blinded me with science.